Thinking about buying a fixer-upper but worried about renovation costs? Or maybe you're a real estate investor looking for a way to finance your next project. Here's the secret weapon most people overlook: the FHA 203K loan. This isn't just another mortgage. It's a loan that covers both the purchase price and the cost of renovations. That means you can buy a home that needs work and immediately finance upgrades, all in one package. No need for separate loans, credit cards, or dipping into savings. Here's how it works. Instead of getting stuck with a home that needs major repairs you can't afford up front, the 203K loan rolls those costs into your mortgage. You can fix structural issues, update kitchens and bathrooms, even add more living space, all while locking in a low down payment, as little as 3.5%. But the real game changer? The after renovation value. You're not just buying a home. You're building equity from day one. This is a massive advantage for first-time buyers who want an affordable home, and for investors looking to force appreciation. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. But here's the catch. 203K loans require a specialized process, and that's where most people struggle. You need the right team, an experienced lender, a contractor who understands such renovations, and a consultant to help manage the project. That's exactly what we do at Matrix Construction. We specialize in 203K renovations, guiding buyers and investors through the process seamlessly. If you're serious about turning a fixer-upper into a dream home or a high ROI investment, don't go in blind. In the next video, I'll break down the biggest mistakes people make when using a 2 or 3K loan and how to avoid them. But if you're already interested, check out our website and schedule a free consultation. Let's make your renovation plans a reality.